change something around the Mach, and I'm not sure if we'll keep it permanent or not. I thought I'd let everybody check it out and give your opinion and everything. What do you think? You like it or no?
I like the white. I think it makes the car pop.
Well, since she just told you what it was, I'll turn the curtain around.
Oh, sorry. You can cut it out.
Yeah. So we went white on the wheels. Derek and the Italian Stallion did it look really good on their vehicles. So I don't know. I've always wanted to see what white looked like. So I did it. I got the white stripe down there. There's a white on the hood decal, just a little bit of white, and of course the shifter is white. So I really like white, so I wanted to see what it would look like. I don't know, I'm loving it so far. Have to see if it I still like it next week. My mind changes sometimes, like the wind. So that's the change. Let me know what's up, what you think about it, and if so, we'll get them powder coated and make it permanent. Hi y'all.